In tray number 1, which we made, there is a dialog for scenes. Click on it. What is scene in SketchUp and why we use its dialog? Scene in SketchUp is shot or a specific view angle that save options and properties which we specified. These properties including camera location, top level hidden geometry, hidden objects, visible tags, active section planes, style and fog, shadow settings, axis location. For example, visible tags. It is for turned on tags, which have the eye icon on, as the last lesson. First scene to add is modeling scene. We name it modeling because we do the modeling process in it, and most model appear in it. To add it, click on plus icon, find here a new scene. Rename it modeling. Press enter to confirm the name. After that, I will change camera location with orbit, hold scroll and move mouse to left and add a new scene. Click add scene and name it 1+3. Then press enter. So tag 1 and tag 3 which will be shown in this scene. Turn off tag 2. To save the scene as shown, click on update icon here. Click update. Only these tags appear in this scene. Back to modeling scene with one click on it. And if we turn it on 1+3 scene, we will see those two tags only. Then we will make another scene and name it 1+2. Press enter and turn on 1 and 2 only. Then change camera location with orbit. Click on update. Now we have 3 scenes, 1+2, 1+3, and modeling. Between every scene and the other one, there is a transition. To unactivate this transition for immediate moving between scenes, click on View menu, Animation, choose Settings, and uncheck Scene Transitions. Close the window. Now we can moving through scenes immediately with no transitions.